Hello, this is Dr. Chris, and today I'm going to show you how to use a drug deactivation system. This is just one such system. I don't endorse products, so I can't give a recommendation if this is the best one or not, and I haven't used any other, so I truly don't know. We're just going to tear open the pouch, fill it up halfway with warm water, wait 30 seconds, and then we can throw it away. It is for use for 90 pills, 12 ounces of liquid, or 12 medication patches. And there's, of course, the warning at the bottom that if the medication has a specific disposal protocol in deactivating, then you need to follow that. So what I've got here are a bottle of pills. I've married up a bunch of different pills I had around that I wanted to get rid of. I'm going to tear open the package, and you'll see inside that these are there's more in there. These are the drug neutralizing systems. Are medications inside. And we'll fill the pouch up about halfway with warm water. Seal it back up and wait for approximately 30 seconds. This is a great tool for getting rid of old medications, not only because of accidental overdoses or ingestions, but also suicide is a leading public health problem and means restriction. So getting rid of old pills is very important. So I would recommend any medications you have around. Even Tylenol can be very fatal. So this isn't just for prescription medications. It can also work for over-the-counter medications too. Aspirin, acetaminophen, etc. It's been over 30 seconds. I don't recommend doing this, but for the purpose of the video, I will open the bag and show inside. And it's kind of just a slurry now, and the tablets are still actively dissolving, and they feel like grains of sand now. So I'll seal that back up, and I'll throw the bag away. I hope you've gotten some valuable information out of this short yet important video.